Margaret, good question. Hey, Dr. Islam, why is my belly making so much noise when I'm full? So there's actually a medical term for this. This is called boroborygmy, in which your colon actually moves things through and makes noise. This is a very normal, it's a very normal response. What could be happening in your case is that fullness of your stomach or food in there, it could be churning and moving things through, and it could be causing the movement of your food into your small intestine. The other thing that could be going on as well is that you could be having a lot of gas inside that stomach, and that rumbling and hearing that you're hearing is just a lot of gas that's there. So you may want to cut back on having gas-filled foods. You may not want to consider incorporating things like Beano or Gas-X to help decrease the amount of gas in your GI tract. If you're using a straw, make sure you don't use that. If you're a sloppy eater where you eat very, very quickly, don't do that. Slow down so you don't air swallow or swallow as much air as well, because that's a very common reason to have gas in your stomach. But keep in mind, this is a very normal response. This is a very normal condition. It's called boroborygmy, and unless it's causing you a lot of discomfort or problems, or people notice it, or it's embarrassing, I honestly would not worry about it too much. Great question.